Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me today for another video. So in this installment we're going to be doing some more testing with the popular tactical foldable antennas that are flooding the market at the moment. I recently tested them on VHF, the 2 meter band to be specific, and today we're going to be doing a similar test on UHF in the 70 centimeter band. So if you want to see the VHF video, then the link is in the description below. So I've got the two models, the 28.5 inch version and the 18.5 inch version, which I'll be taking with a Bofeng UV82 up to the same spot of high ground further outside of Manchester. I'll be testing each antenna as well as the stock antenna with Simon G1 UFM, and the only difference in this test is that it will be on UHF. And again, we'll test on both high and low power to see what difference, if any, each antenna makes. I'll also have my home base station recording as well, so I can include the data. And the sunset tonight looks like it's going to be amazing, so stay tuned because I'm going to throw some footage in. And let me know in the comments below how many transmitter sites you see in the video. After the test, I'll collate the results onto a table the same as last time, and we'll also compare them with the VHF results. So let's go. G1 UFM, Mike 3 Hotel Yankee Mobile. Are you on frequency, Simon?
Yeah, hello Lewis, M3HHY G1 UFM.
Yeah, afternoon Simon, cheers for coming on to do the test again. The weather's a lot different up here than it was last time. It's cold, 6 degrees, pretty windy, so I'm just hoping it all gets picked up on the camera. Well, the radio worked, but not the wind so much, but we'll soon see anyway. Anyway, I'm on the same radio, same spot, stood in the exact same position with the same 28.5 inch antenna now. The only thing that's changed is obviously the frequency and the weather. So how's this sounding? Back to you.
Yeah, so just got you there Lewis, and that's on 70 centimetres on, is about 4 watts, 5 watts. On the 28 inch antenna, and you are about 5 and 5 to 5 and 7, so you're slightly down on the 2 metres, but it's pretty bob on.
Okay Simon, that's interesting then, so it'll be interesting to see what we're like on the lower power with the smaller antennas. Okay, yeah, so that's 4 watts. What I'll do now, Simon, is I'll change down to low power, so around 2 watts, and I'll call you back. Okay Simon, we're on low power now, low power. Same antenna, 28.5 inch. How's that sounding? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. M3HHY Mobile.
Yeah, okay Lewis. To be honest, it's exactly the same. So it's a very interesting thing. Is the power output any different, high and low power? Because it's exactly the same signal.
Yeah, they are, because I've measured this in the past, so I know it's. I do know it's less. It's yeah, that is quite interesting. Right, stand by Simon. What I'll do is I'll switch over to the 18.5 inch and I'll give you a call back on that one on high power.
Okay, cheers.
Okay Simon, M3HHY Mobile, we're back on the high power setting now, but with the 18.5 inch antenna. So I wonder what that's sounding like. G1 UFM, M3HHY Mobile.
G1 UFM. Would you believe, Lewis, that's exactly the same. So that's exactly the same as the other antenna on low power, using the smaller antenna on high power. Exactly the same. So all 3 results have been more or less the same.
Right, no worries. So 5 and 7 then.
Yeah, 5 and 5 to 5 and 7. So slightly down on the 2 metres, but that had obviously 4 different results on 2 metres. But so far the 3 results have been exactly the same. That is very, very interesting.
Yeah, definitely. Right, let's switch down to low power then. Stand by. Okay, M3HY mobile. Same antenna, Simon. 18.5 inch on low power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, okay, Lewis. Exactly the same. Unbelievable. Exactly the same. 5 and 5. Just moving a tiny little bit when you walk about, but exactly the same results.
Right, okay, Simon. Really interesting. Right, what I'm going to do now then is I'll switch back to high power on the stock antenna and we'll see how that goes. Stand by. Okay, G1 UFM, G1 UFM, Mike 3 Hotel Yankee mobile. Okay, we're on the stock antenna now, Simon, at 5 watts again.
Okay, Lewis, right, that's definitely slightly down. That's 5 and 3, 5 and 4 on the meter. So slightly down, but still loads better than you were on 2 meters on the stock antenna.
Yeah, that's really interesting. Because you were really struggling when I was about a 5 and 1, wasn't I? And then when I switched to low power, I don't think you received me at all. So I'll switch to low power now, Simon. See how that goes. Okay, Simon. So finally, stock antenna, low power. How's that? M3HY mobile.
Okay, Lewis. That's ever so slightly down. So that's 5 and 2, peaking 5 and 3. But the audio is strong and loud. So it's a no difference, no problem at all. I think with the estimated reading is it's a very, I don't know how to describe it, Lewis. Over.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, it's I don't think conditions or anything are playing a part. I think it's just obviously the difference in the band, isn't it? I think obviously the antennas. I think all 3 antennas are more effective on UHF. And that's coming through in the results. And there's been no change in signal reception with you whatsoever on all 3 antennas. You're still 5 and 9 anyway.
Yeah, okay, Lewis. Yeah, I think obviously what it is, the extra length must equate to extra gain, and it overrides the increase in loss of the frequency path, if you see what I mean. That's quite strange that there's not a massive difference in the longer and the shorter antennas compared to on 2 meters where there was a huge difference.
Okay, so as you can see, there's quite a difference in the results on UHF. The overall performance of the antennas is virtually the same across the board, or at least over a longer distance to Simon it was. The base station picked up a slight decline in signal strength, however. On VHF we saw quite a sharp decline in signal strength as the antennas got shorter and the power was reduced. But on UHF the decline in signal strength is less drastic. So I hope you enjoyed this video on these tactical antennas. I've actually got the 42-inch version on the way, so it'll be interesting to test that as well. And let me know how many transmitter sites you saw in the video in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, suggestions or questions, drop them in the box below and I'll get back to you. And all that's left to do is say 7-3. We'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.